McDonald. First, I have to have a sip. Have a drink first. Then we continue our journey. Today we will drive to some routine which is quite weird for me, but I think I can drive there. Just pass by some old town of Kuching. Yes, let me have a drink. Forgot to bring my sanitizer, so I will just eat it with my bare hand. Nice. So let's go. Another French fries. Now, let me get my Mcchicken, have a bite, then I will drive now. Okay, that's all. The car I'm now using is my family car, which is almost as a legendary Malaysian car, Berdua Myvi, which is around, I think, how long is it? I think it's brought by on 2008, but now, which is my working car, so I have to drive it, take care it very carefully. Let us wait, then have a packing first. I wish I can pass by. Let me pass by. Today I am eating the Mcchicken, which have extra lettuce. Some of people will pronounce it lettuce. For me, most of the time I will pronounce it lettuce. Today we are going to the highway, and we will pass by a city. Not a city. Kuching place, which they only will go there. Our local will go there, which I have a lot of memory there. Which when I am young, not that young, just previous year, under 10 years, okay. We will go there with a lot of youth. We go there, have some eating our food, our lunch, our dinner. We will order something like the chicken rice, but the chicken rice is not like the Singapore chicken rice. The chicken rice is something like the, we call it salad chicken rice, which they will put a lot of mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise part there which is because of the quite less of veggie. So I would suggest that if only for food, it's okay, but it's for the nutritious food. I think still leave a lot of nutritious inside there. So we will. So this one is a very all not that all, but still considered as all mall. And this one is an area I recently going there with my friends. On our left, yeah, they're still there, the 919 cafe. I have a lot of memory there. In the around 10 years ago, maybe, I will hang out with my that one is called Religion Springs. We go there, have found a lot of food together. I hope they are doing fine, because quite some time I haven't visit them already, or they visit me. I'm considering which way we have to go. Oh yeah, my Mcchicken also have extra mayonnaise. I adding it. It have to pay some extra money, but not that much. It's okay for extra calories. Oh, no calories. It's cholesterol. Another car which is smaller, but I quite like that car. The car name is called Viva. The Viva, that time I using the manual transmission, manual one, which is I still can, when I'm driving, I also grab my burger at the same time, so that I can drive and eat at the same time, like now. But that time is using the manual transmission. There's still some inside the packaging. I will eat it later. But now for safety, I have to drive into the roundabout. When driving and eating is strongly not suggested for doing something like this. another small place we will hang out around. Actually where I grow, actually this one is somewhere I'm growing around. So that I found that the Kuching it's improved a lot actually. Not bad actually. A lot of place still maintain our very nature. But there's some place there's foreigners that take away a lot of tree. Actually quite sad for me. So I will stop the video around after I pass by this traffic light. No, later. Let me drive another place, then we turn around, then we go. Then I have to go home. Oh no, never mind. The time's up. So I will turn it off here after I have a turn left. So see you around next time. See you and goodbye. Thank you for hearing me and enjoy the video. So see you and goodbye.